Are you ready to strengthen your core and unlock the powerhouse within? Today, we're diving into a killer core workout that will tone and strengthen your abs, obliques, and lower back. This isn't just about looking good, it's about building a strong foundation for your entire body. Let's get started. Warm up. Torso twists. High knees.
Before we dive into the workout, let's warm up those muscles. Start with torso twists to activate your obliques and then reach for the sky to lengthen the spine. Finish off with high knees to get your blood pumping. A strong warm-up is key to preventing injuries and maximizing your performance.
Exercise number 1. Plank variations.
We're starting with the foundation of core strength, the plank. Get into position with your elbows beneath your shoulders and hold it tight. This is about more than just your abs. Feel your entire core engage from your lower back to your glutes. Now, to add intensity, let's move into side planks. Hold for 30 seconds on each side, keeping your hips lifted. If you want to challenge yourself, lift your top leg for an extra burn.
Exercise number 2. Bicycle crunches.
Next up, we're targeting the upper and lower abs with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your knees up. Now, twist your torso, bringing your elbow to the opposite knee, while extending the other leg straight out. Keep the movement slow and controlled. This isn't about speed, it's about feeling every contraction in your core. Go for 15 reps on each side.
Exercise number 3. Russian twists.
Let's fire up those obliques with Russian twists. Sit on the ground, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the floor. Using your hands or a weight, twist from side to side, making sure to engage your core with each rotation. Keep your feet elevated for an extra challenge. 20 twists on each side. Feel the burn.
Exercise number 4. Leg raises.
Time to focus on those lower abs with leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs straight up, then slowly lower them down without touching the floor. Control is key. Feel your core working as you resist gravity. Complete 12 reps and keep that core engaged throughout.
Exercise number 5. Mountain climbers.
Now, let's pick up the pace with mountain climbers to get your heart rate up while still working that core. Get into a plank position and alternate bringing your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Keep your core tight and hips low for maximum engagement. Push through for 30 seconds. Finish strong.
Cool down and stretch. Cobra stretch. Child's pose.
Great work. Now, let's cool down with a few stretches. Start with a gentle cobra stretch to open up your abs. Then move into child's pose to stretch your lower back. Finish off with some slow, deep breaths to let your body recover.
Your core is the powerhouse of your body. And with this workout, you've taken a huge step towards strengthening it. Don't forget to subscribe to Nutrify for more workouts like this one and keep pushing forward.
Keep challenging yourself. Stay consistent. And keep pushing forward. Remember, every rep you complete brings you closer to the strong,